In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on eToro. So once you're set up and you've got your account, you can come up here to the search bar at the top and just type in ETH. That will bring up the Ethereum ticker here. So we're going to go ahead and click that. That will take us to the Ethereum overview along with its chart here. We can actually see the chart in more detail if we go here. We've got the analysis, news and financials. In order to buy Ethereum, I'm going to go over here to the top right and press the trade button. And then it's going to ask me how much I want to invest. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's say we're going to do $100 on my practice account. I have the option here to either do a market order or a limit order. A limit order is going to be effectively a way for me to buy it if it reaches a certain price threshold. So for example, if I think it's going to drop in price and I want to buy it at say $3,700, as it's currently trading right now at $3,776, it will then buy once it reaches this. Obviously, if it doesn't go down to this, then it will never do that. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I will do a market order, which will buy it at price. And I can go ahead here and press buy. And then I have bought Ethereum here. You can see the buy order has filled. And if I come over here and go to my portfolio on the left-hand side, you can see here that I have Ethereum now in my portfolio. And if I want to sell it, I can close the trade. Or if I want to buy more, I can also trade again, doing the exact same thing here. And that is how you buy Ethereum on eToro.